Yo, what is cool, Bruce Crew? That's what I'm gonna start calling y'all now. So today, I'm gonna show y'all how to make your skate shoes last like a whole year, maybe even longer. So I got some Vans, like, when was it? I got these like a month into summer. And this already started wearing off. Let me show y'all, it has a few holes in it. These are like $40 by the way. So I'm saving like a lot of money. I was gonna get like some half cabs, but I'd rather get them like when I actually have a good amount of money, because right now it's not looking good, you know. But I got these are like the cheaper ones. These are called the Chuckas. I honestly recommend them if y'all are looking for like a good flat shoe to skate in. The Chuckas, they go hard, and they look pretty nice too. They got like a thick tongue. But yeah, so what I do to make these last longer is I put like a clothing patch right here. I don't know what these are called. They're like denim patches. I put it right there, and I put super glue. Oh, what's it called? You could put super glue or hot glue. I put hot glue because it's like a lot easier and it's more available. I know a lot of people have hot glue just anywhere in their house. And also putting hot glue on the laces also helps a lot. These are already on their last stand. I go through a lot of laces since I skate a lot. So yeah, make sure if you're a skateboarder, you need to find a good cheap lace. I always just go to Vans, get a re-up on the laces. So I'm gonna show y'all a little tutorial of how to glue those to your shoes. Be right back. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I'm gonna reply to the comments that I got in the last vid. If y'all left comments on the fingerboard Friday sesh, I'm gonna read them right now. Last Friday I wasn't able to do it, but I will do one this Friday for sure. So the first comment we got is by at ST Rafaela. Shout me out. What board do you want next? So I want one of the new slush coat boards. They look really nice. They got like so many different things available now. I remember back then they only had like 3 decks, and now they have like a whole like selection. So I'll probably get one of the new slush coat decks. And then here we got at Michael the Angle. I want to see you try all the monster drinks. Honestly, that's one of my video ideas. I'm gonna like a monster tier list. I'm gonna try all of them, and then I'm gonna rank them. But that video is gonna cost like about like 20 to 40 bucks. So I'm saving up for that one. I almost got it. I might make it next week. At James Aguilar, what is the next trick that you're trying to learn? Like on the skateboard, I'm trying to learn a tray flip, and it looks like once you learn it, it's pretty easy. Like you just do it like nothing. So I want to be able to do that. Damn, bro, my cat's tripping. Anyways, guys, that is all the comments that are on that video. Leave some more comments on this video, and I'll shout you out in the next one and read it in front of the camera. So anyways, let's go. I'm gonna teach y'all how to glue the patches onto the shoes so you can make them last like a lot longer. Basically another layer of protection. Alright guys, so here we got the shoe. It already has some holes in it, so I'm gonna try to get this side of the patch over here. Like, this actually doesn't look that horrible, because like when you're skating, nobody notices, to be honest. Like, nobody has even told me anything about it. And also, man, it's skate shoes, man. Nobody cares about how your skate shoes look. As long as they're good quality, that's what matters. So now right here doesn't have as much holes. Alright, so right here you can see it didn't have as much holes, so we're gonna try to super glue it with the hole, or with the hole covered, I mean, like that. So here, got my hot glue gun. We're gonna connect it and wait a minute. So I've done this method already quite some time, so you can see the shoe has some glue on it. Honestly, it's like once you have them shoes that you've been skating for a while, and like you do not want to change them because the feel is just like so good on them. So you gotta like find ways to make them last longer. And this was one of those shoes. So I found a way to make it last longer. Guess while we're waiting for this to heat up, we could lace up the shoe. And I brought a new lace with me, but I don't know where it's at. Oh, it's right here. Got the new lace. And with these flat laces, like basketball shoes, where you have to really be careful how you lace them up, just do it hard. It's skate shoes. The lace is not that long, so you just do it however. It does not have to be flat. You can always just twist them around if you think they're too twisted. You kind of fix it up a little bit with your hands. Just like this. If you think they're too twisted, you could kind of fix it up a little bit with your hands. Say what's up to my cat. Alright, so now that the hot glue gun, I'm pretty sure it's hot enough already. You're gonna want to put some glue right there. All around. I don't know what the hot glue gun, it's actually better to spam it instead of just holding it for a long time. Y'all want to be careful. This is hot glue. Okay, so it looks like we got it on there pretty good. It's gonna cool down and it's gonna harden, and it's gonna be like a nice protective layer. And since I flick a lot right here, I like to put extra. Just to make sure it doesn't make a hole again. And you could also put some on the lace that always gets broken. It's gonna add like another layer of protection on it. I like to just put a little bit and spread it out like that. And that lace is gonna last you twice as long as it usually does. Or than it usually does. I might be messing up my wording. Anyways, that's how you do it. We're gonna let it cool down and I'm gonna show y'all how strong it is. I might just do some kick flips for y'all just to show y'all some skateboarding clips. I know I haven't skated on the channel for a while, so we're gonna do some of that just to show y'all that this does not affect the performance. If anything, it makes it better because you got like more grip on the flick. You feel me? So that is how you make your shoes last longer. I'm gonna play some clips right now. I'm actually go to a park to get these clips. Y'all know I'm gonna go to the local. So I'll see y'all there. Yeah, we here at the park. We here at the park ski. Get the board. I got some new stickers on my board. Let's see what's up. Got the basketball court. As y'all can see, I got the shoe. Let's get it, man. Let's do some skating. Some skating. That was clean right there. Oh, fuck. I'm trying to do a nose grab, and then I think I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna end the video after this nose grab. That counts. Let me see if I can do a better one. Oh shit. Oh, that's hurt. I think we're gonna cut it today, bro. I'm going back home. I appreciate y'all for checking out the video. This is how my shoes be looking. And I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm too tired. Too tired to do an outro, bro. As always, like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bro, I almost forgot my things, bro. Oh, hell nah.